Good day everyone, ma'am and sir. I'm Angela Gutierrez and I'm 47 years old and I am from Philippines. I'm seeking a job that in line based on my experience and skills there in Hong Kong before. I am married and I have 3 kids, one son and 2 daughters. My son is 18 of age and my older daughter is 22 and the younger one is 16. They are all going to the school. I worked there before in Hong Kong as a domestic helper by the Indian family and they have 2 babies. I start them. The babies is only 6 months old and they are twins. My duties and responsibilities to them is cooking, washing, cleaning, marketing, and taking care of their babies. For now, only Filipino and Indian food I know how to make, but I'm willing to learn how to make another nationality food. That's why I want to apply again as domestic helper there in Hong Kong for the bright future of my family, because I want to send all my kids in to school until they finish their schooling.